Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a quick smoothie that I have been taking to really up your immunity intake as of right now. I'm sure I'm not the only one who has heard of the coronavirus, so it is extremely important that we are upping our immunity intake. So let's go ahead and get this started. As you can see here, I have purchased liquid silver. Now this one is at 10 ppm. The one that you'll see later in the video is at a higher ppm, that being 30. A couple of the benefits, if you guys are not familiar with liquid silver, are various, such as helping with the common cold and all types of flu. It does fight with bronchitis along with pneumonia. It's anti-inflammatory, it treats pink eye, and it also benefits skin infections. Now, another thing that is really good is that it's antibacterial, and it also helps with wound healing. So if you haven't already decided on if you want to try silver, I would probably go with a lower dose. As you can see on my right, I have my blender ready to go, and the items that I have in this blender consist of yogurt, bananas, collagen powder, and frozen berries and strawberries. So as you can see here, I am actually measuring out 1 tablespoon of the liquid silver for my smoothie. On the back, it does state to do this 3 times a day, depending on the severity of whatever issue you are facing. I have seen additional videos where you can give this to a dog if there is some sort of situation. I would recommend you researching that before doing so. However, I did want to go ahead and throw in that tidbit. Now that we have added our silver, I am ready to go ahead and add in the rest of my ingredients and get this blended out. Another ingredient I added into the smoothie is the herbal dietary supplement called Deep Stress, along with the organic flax and chia seeds. Now with the herbal supplement, you could actually put this under your tongue. You don't have to additionally put this into the smoothie or water. You can just shake it and put it under your tongue. Another ingredient would be the ground cinnamon and honey. I do think it's extremely important to put natural sweeteners when possible. I'm still trying to figure out why they call this thing the magic bullet. I had to put a little magic in myself, get it a little shaken up so we can go ahead and get this blended. So let's go ahead and get that process started. And there you have it, a very quick and simple, easy smoothie. There's really no need for any measurements with this smoothie. Put as many bananas as you want, as many strawberries as you want, berries as you want, completely up to you. Another thing that I do think is extremely important is to add a vitamin with this. The vitamins that I decided to purchase are these vitamins right here. They are a multivitamin, so it does come with vitamin B, C, D, E, and biotin along with folic acid. Now I'm sure you can get any vitamin that you would like. However, this is just to make sure that you are taking in the vitamins that are needed daily to, of course, fight any infections or any viruses that may come. Other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, I will catch you guys in the next one.